So the idea I'm running with is really great for crowds. Sheet pan sausage and pepper hoagies. If you have some hungry mouths to feed, this is one of the easiest ways to make that happen. I'm just prepping some peppers, got them on the last one. You can use whatever color of bell peppers you want to use. I've got red and orange and yellow. I think bell peppers are absolutely delicious, especially baked in the oven, and especially when you mix up the colors and just make them extra enticing. So I'm gonna go on to the sheet pan with all the veggies. Aside from the bell peppers, I've also got big chunks of onions, and I'm gonna kind of break them up a little bit when I get them on the pan, just so they aren't in quite as big a chunks. So now that I have the veggies on the pan, I'm gonna drizzle on plenty of olive oil. And then just for some really nice flavor, I'll add about a teaspoon of dried sage. Kind of smells a little bit like Thanksgiving. And some salt and pepper. Okay, you want to really coat all the veggies in that oil. Okay, now I've just got to nestle 12 spicy Italian sausages in among the veggies. Now it's just about getting them into the oven to cook. So much better than standing over a hot skillet. The baking goes like this. I'll put them in a 425-degree oven for 30 minutes until the sausages are cooked through, vegetables are tender. It smells so good in this kitchen. I'm about to show you why. Look at this sheet pan, those sausages and peppers and onions, glorious. Now I think these are delicious on their own, but for me, any sandwich I make has to have a great spread. And the one I like to make for this sandwich is so simple, it's almost funny. All it is mayonnaise, along with some grainy mustard. Any kind of mustard works. And gourmet, just kidding, ketchup. I'll give it a stir until it just comes together. I really like this basic combo of mayo, ketchup, and mustard. It doesn't get any more American than that, let me tell you. Okay, now to build the sandwiches, I'm gonna slice the sausages into pieces rather than leaving them whole. And each sandwich gets 2 sausages. Woo, nice and hot. Okay, now to build the sandwiches, I like to use big old chewy deli rolls, also known as hoagie rolls or sub rolls. And I'll drizzle a really generous portion of sauce on both sides. I split them down the middle. Okay, that is properly sauced. And I'll pile the slices of sausage in there. And I love how big the chunks of veggies are. All right, that's one big, beautiful sandwich. Now I'm gonna build the rest. Look at these. They're so big and beautiful. Doesn't get any better than this.